Roof soft wash, step-by-step process, crown pressure washing. If your roof has black streaks, moss, or algae, don't replace it. A soft wash can restore it safely and make it look new again. Here's how we do it, step by step. We begin with a full roof inspection, checking for loose shingles, damage, or anything that might need special attention. Then we gear up, harnesses, non-slip footwear, and all the right safety equipment. Next, we protect the property. Plants and landscaping are thoroughly soaked with water, and we cover anything that needs shielding. We also disconnect or redirect downspouts to prevent runoff from soaking into the ground or hitting sensitive areas. Our cleaning mix is a professional-grade solution designed to kill algae, moss, mold, and lichen without damaging your shingles. It's applied using a low-pressure pump system, starting from the bottom up for full, even coverage. We let the solution dwell for 15 to 20 minutes so it can fully break down organic growth. If any areas still show signs of buildup, we reapply. No pressure, no scrubbing, just chemistry doing the work. Once treatment is complete, we rinse all surrounding plants again to make sure no solution remains. In most cases, we let the next rain rinse the roof naturally. But if fast results are needed, we'll do a light rinse ourselves. We finish with drone footage or before and after photos and do a final walkthrough to make sure the entire roof looks clean, uniform, and professionally treated. That's our safe and effective soft wash process. No damage, just results that restore your roof and extend its life.